This is the R3 Pro fitness tracker with a 1.69-inch display, do not disturb, an overall flashlight showing you it's really edge to edge. Brightness control is really broad and nice and bright outdoors. Find your phone, you can change the layout of your apps, and of course you've got overall settings as well where you can change dials to anything you like, including downloadable ones from the tethered app, like this one that integrates beautifully with the band itself. You've got other things in your settings like system, info, reset, brightness, the length of time the screen will stay lit, and a QR code. In addition to that, swiping up, you've got notifications sent from your phone, your step count information for the day, heart rate chart with an instantaneous reading and your highs and your lows recorded so far, blood oxygen using red diode technology that'll report that for you, and with a built-in thermometer, it's going to compute and give you your temperature in centigrade or Fahrenheit with a little module on the back. Last night's sleep time is in here, and the current weather conditions, temperature, and forecast is available as well. In terms of overall apps, you've got your training, running, cycling, skipping. You have swimming because it's a waterproof watch. There's no GPS in this one though, but it does get you all the basic stuff. There's your step count, heart rate, blood oxygen, and body temperature. Sleeping, you got breath rate, inhale and exhale exercise you can do, weather, an onboard music player. You've got the messages, a stopwatch if you want to, a step-down counter, and again, back to overall settings, which we've already seen. It comes with two different bands. This is a really interesting little cloth Velcro band, and again, you can get it in a lot of different colors and combinations. You also can have this band, which is actually has mounted to it when you actually get the watch. We traded it off so you could see this one as well. With the bezel design in gold or silver or black and the body design color, whatever you'd like, it's a really nice watch. Once again, it's the R3 Pro. Check it out.